Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be discussing about 25 tips to prepare students for exams or tests. Certainly. Here are 25 tips to help you prepare students for tests in class. 1. Create a study schedule. Encourage students to create a study schedule well in advance of the test to avoid last-minute cramming. 2. Break down the material. Help students break down the material into smaller, manageable sections for easier understanding. 3. Provide study guides. Offer study guides that highlight key concepts and topics likely to be covered in the test. 4. Review previous material. Encourage reviewing previous class notes and materials to reinforce understanding. 5. Active participation. Encourage active participation in class discussions, as engagement often enhances comprehension. 6. Practice with sample questions. Provide sample questions or problems to give students a sense of the test format. 7. Utilize technology. Integrate educational apps or online resources that can aid in reviewing and practicing concepts. 8. Group study sessions. Facilitate group study sessions, where students can collaborate and explain concepts to each other. 9. Encourage questions. Foster an environment where students feel comfortable asking questions to clarify doubts. 10. Incorporate different learning styles. Cater to various learning styles by including visual aids, hands-on activities, and discussions. 11. Provide additional resources. Share supplementary resources, such as articles, videos, or interactive websites, for further exploration. 12. Relate material to real-life examples. Help students understand the practical applications of what they are learning. 13. Regular formative assessments. Conduct regular quizzes or short assessments throughout the learning process to gauge understanding. 14. Encourage self-assessment. Teach students to assess their own understanding by periodically reviewing their notes and identifying areas of weakness. 15. Timed practice tests. Offer timed practice tests to simulate the test environment and help students manage their time effectively. 16. Provide feedback. Offer constructive feedback on practice quizzes or assignments to guide improvement. 17. Establish a positive mindset. Promote a positive mindset by emphasizing the importance of effort and growth rather than just grades. 18. Connect new material to previous knowledge. Help students connect new information to what they have previously learned for better retention. 19. Use visual aids. Incorporate visual aids like charts, graphs, and diagrams to enhance understanding. 20. Set realistic goals. Assist students in setting realistic and achievable goals for their study sessions. 21. Healthy lifestyle habits. Stress the importance of adequate sleep, proper nutrition, and regular breaks for optimal cognitive function. 22. Encourage regular review. Emphasize the benefits of regular review over time rather than cramming the night before. 23. Variety in assessment methods. Use a variety of assessment methods throughout the course to accommodate different learning styles. 24. Create a positive learning environment. Foster a supportive and positive classroom atmosphere that encourages curiosity and learning. 25. Celebrate progress. Acknowledge and celebrate small achievements and improvements to boost students' confidence. Remember, these tips can be adapted based on the specific needs and preferences of your students and the subject matter you're teaching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips and tricks. Thanks again for watching.